The EGO HPW2100 Pressure Washer offers a remarkable cleaning power of 2,100 pounds per square inch, making it ideal for tackling tough dirt and grime efficiently. With its compact and lightweight design, this pressure washer is easy to transport and store, providing convenience for users with limited space. It features a versatile power source, allowing you to connect to a garden hose or draw water from a bucket, ensuring flexibility for various cleaning situations. The pressure washer's cordless functionality, coupled with a 30-minute runtime on a 6 ampere-hour battery, offers freedom of movement without the hassle of cords. Users will appreciate the quick connection points for the hose and wand, which simplify setup and allow for swift nozzle changes. Comprehensive accessories, including multiple nozzles and a foam cannon, enhance the cleaning experience by offering options for different surfaces and levels of dirt.